Hi friends, it's Miss Paula. Today's activity. Today at summer camp we made little campers, and this is absolutely one of my favorite activities. It was so much fun and they came out so cute. This is like a little pop-up camper. The activity, or the, excuse me, the materials you will need: markers, glue, a stapler, a paper plate, which I've already cut in half. You'll cut it straight down the middle, just in half. Of course, you need scissors, and you need some construction paper. You're going to cut a little door, the trailer hitch and leg for the camper to stand up, a window, a wheel, and the inside of the wheel. I just used a little piece of white paper. You can use gray if you have it. Some string or yarn. I made a little heart to put on the door. Some chalk. And for the yarn, we're actually going to hang little flags on ours. I just made some little triangles. But you can use little artificial lights. There are all kinds of things you can do to decorate it and make it look really cute. Okay. To start, you can make it however you want. I am going to just do the bottom of it a color, and I'm going to do it a little bit fast. So you can take your time and do it a little more neat than mine will probably be. I'm just going to make a line across the plate, and you do it on the back of the plate. That way it stands out like a little camper does. Okay, you can make a line a little less than halfway across the plate, yes. And you'll just color that in. I don't have any large markers. All I have are Sharpies, so it'll be a little messy. Hopefully it's enough to give you the idea. Alright. The kids' campers came out so cute. Okay, and here's what we have so far. Whoa. That's the bottom of the camper. I'll go ahead and glue on some pieces. Put the hitch on. That probably has another name, but I don't know what it is. So sorry about that. I guess it's not really on the hitch anymore because that's the leg that holds the camper up. Okay, that's on. We'll put the wheels on, or wheel. It's a side profile, so you only need one. That's on, and the little hubcap. Put that right in the middle of the wheel. Now we can add the window. I made a black window, and I'm going to just use chalk on it. You can draw in a flower box or curtains. I think I drew curtains on the one I did at school. And we'll do the door next. I really love this. I think it's so cute. Okay. You can just put a little window in your door if you'd like. I drew some, or cut out some little hearts. I thought that was pretty cute. And my glue was upside down. Now it's coming out too fast. It's either one way or another. And you can draw handles on your door. Make it yours, as always. The next thing is the stapler and the yarn. You can glue the yarn on if you have the patience and the time, but we stapled ours on. And you just want to staple that, try to tuck it down in the back and staple it so that your yarn stays on, or string, whatever you use. There are quite a few things you could do to decorate it and make it look like little lights, or the little flags like you see on when people are camping. Okay, that's just on there like that. Now we'll add some flags. This just adds a little whimsy. Makes it really cute. Hope everyone's having a wonderful week. It's almost the weekend. Okay, I'll put a couple more of these on, and then we'll... Okay, I can't pick them up. I think the one I originally saw and got this idea from was they used, it's for fabric, like the string with the pom-poms on it. That was really cute. My string might be a little too long. You probably want to put it up a little bit higher than what I did. But this will at least give you the idea. The general idea. Let's see if I can pull it up. Nope, all of my flags will fall off if I do that. Okay. And here is where we are. It's hard to see the little stand. Okay, now I'm going to work on the window. I'm just going to add some curtains to mine. Like I said, you can add a flower box. If you don't want a black window, you can make it another color. You can make it white. You can draw a person in there. And a little dog would be cute, or a cat in the window. I'm just going to add a little bit of chalk to make curtains on mine. I need a little animal in the window. Maybe I'll put a little kitty cat. Might be a big kitty cat. Alright. That's far enough to give you an idea, and then you can make it yours, as always. Let me see if I can put this up so you get a good look at it. And that is our little camper. Now you're ready to go camping, and you don't have to do it in a tent. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Until next time. And hopefully you get to go camping this summer. We have the wonderful, perfect weather for it. Bye.